Fine. Now, ladies, don't distract me with things. Kidding. My fault. Anyway, so Casca, I think you know the background a little bit better than her because actually Costin had done an exercise where we mapped all the events happening in the month that could be relevant for CSR climate. It turns out that this week is Earth Day week, and there are some events happening. Like two main events happening on Wednesday, which is Earth Day. Casca, it's basically an award show. It's both like a conclave and an award show run by the CSR Universe. Okay. The CSR Universe is a media platform. And Ankit's interview only recently appeared in it. I guess they will do one more interview. There's some sort of can do it, I don't know. But the attraction is that a lot of foundations, CSR players, government players, some good names are going to be there. I believe we've already sent out the invitations to them. So how many of those were sent in the end?
In the end?
Like how many of those, what was the total number?
30.
30.
Yeah. But I could not send to, I guess, 2 or 3 people because there was no LinkedIn or email ID available for them.
Which?
Like, they were like professors or like at IIT or somewhere. Or like individual consultants.
But anyway, so just give me those names. Actually, don't give them to me today. Just note which names were not there, and then when we come there, we'll maybe try and find them directly. Okay. So so all the stalls, we have a stall. We are getting the Jumbo, the Ember, the Smart. You will all know, of course. Saurabh, I think, has sent those out for printing. Hopefully they should be done. You, 3 of us, will reach there. I think it's at 9:30 in the morning. And it'll be all the way till dinner. You will not be able to stay. It'll be too risky for you. So aap pehle chale jao. But so this is a big opportunity, guys. I think we really need to revive the CSR and philanthropy part of our business. We have had some conversations. There is one short projects thing that I'm waiting. 400 strokes ka, but pata nahi. I don't want to keep disturbing him also. I've followed up with him like 2-3 times. So, but hopefully but we need many more of those. And for that, we really need to start having conversations with the people at the top. Right? So people at the top and then also regional players. Because sometimes what tends to happen is the people at the top are too woke. But maybe tomorrow is an opportunity to kind of meet with a lot of people, senior people. I'm very glad that it's the 2 of you coming. So we look like at least not me there, just there or me, a young team, right? Young team, 2 women also. That's very good because we're probably going to be talking about a product that was made for rural women, women's livelihoods, right? Supporting, freeing up time for women so they can spend on education and stuff. So I'm excited. What I really want to do is have lots of conversations and give people a sense that this is a company that they can still work with, that biomass is relevant, right? So there are some. Now, the first thing is that the process is especially important for you.
Yeah.
You need to be able to talk about the company, right? So you haven't been put in a customer-facing role yet. Rati has been with the company for some time. Rati knows. So I have confidence in your ability to hold a conversation. But I think how we should play it is, so when the sessions start, I don't think there'll be a lot of people coming. So what apparently happens is that there is going to be a hall where the sessions are happening, and all the stalls are going to be outside. I've seen this kind of format before. So people are probably going to be wandering by the stall during the breaks between sessions, right? Jab tea, chai break hoga, lunch time mein to
अंकित सर को इसमें से काट के 10-15 सेकंड का वीडियो चाहिए यूला का सर, आवाज़ म्यूट कर देना जिसमें चूल्हा अच्छे से सेंटर पे दिख रहा हो।
But, अच्छा, yeah. No, I will keep it tight and efficient. So, maybe to start with, the first few interactions, let me take the lead, right? Then, at some point, I may have to leave the stall to go talk to people, right? Because there might be some opportunities to go and mingle with the crowd. Saurabh and Ankit are also coming, right? So I will try to be at the stall for the maximum amount of time. But pay attention to the kind of questions people are asking. Pay attention to how I'm answering them. Like when I'm talking to people, don't switch on, right? Listen to what answers I'm giving. If you have questions, ask me. Or ask Ankit or ask Saurabh. But I'll be there, so ask me. Because it's very important that we get the communication right.
Yeah.
So maybe we can do a dry run tomorrow. Like maybe I can come and we can take out the smart of the jump, and I'll come in and role play as a CSR person, and you answer, and we'll see, and you can observe. Maybe we can even do it today before we leave, right? And then I'll get a sense of okay, what are the points we need to be hitting, and we can find you. But broadly, there are some points that have to be repeated. One is obviously that we've been around for 15 years, and you can take down. We've been around for 15 years, and that a large part of our distribution has been through partnerships. Partnerships. The vertical that you work with.
Yeah.
Including with CSRs, microfinancing institutions, MFIs, NGOs, carbon buyers. Right? So, the third thing that has to be said is that we are an energy access company that specializes in clean cooking, but also has solutions in efficient lighting, efficient appliances, water, and DRE. DRE, distributed renewable energy.
Okay.
So what do we mean by efficient appliances?
Which does not consume a lot.
No, that's right. Energy efficient appliances. No, that's right. What is correct? Nothing wrong in that. But what are our efficient appliances?
LED bulb.
You know.
Then we have solar.
Not exactly an efficient appliance. Solar is more, rooftop solar is more of a DRE solution. So efficient appliances, you would talk about efficient lighting, LED appliances, and the water filter. So it's not an RO.
Okay.
So I'll have to sit with you and take you through things. It is a UV water filter that acts on microbial content, and it does not do anything for TDS. ठीक है? Water purifier तो लेके नहीं जाएंगे वहाँ पे, सिर्फ चूल्हे लेके जाएंगे, but you understand. So the focus is on cook stores, but we need to let people know that we are a diversified energy access company. Then you need to know some of the companies that we've partnered with. What are some of the CSRs that we've partnered with? Tata Trusts. Yeah. Who else? आपको पता होना चाहिए, आपके ब्रोशर में है.
हाँ, रिया है.
REA is not a CSR. REA is the Rural Energy Agency of Tanzania.
But there was some bank also.
Just get Grameen. Right?
Grameen Kuta.
Yeah.
वो तो MFI. That's a microfinancing partner. Previous partner. There is at least one bank. Which bank is it?
RBL.
RBL is our bank, to which people pay us.
So like
My God. परिवर्तन.
Yeah.
You just-
I
passes
knew
cancel
that.
कर दूं?
नहीं we'll just
My goodness, वो CSR में कौन है?
HDFC.
Bank of India is also CSR.
I didn't know.
So Bank of India, HDFC, Tata Trusts, the John Deere. Okay, the company that makes tractors, John Deere.
John Deere.
आपने deck देखा? You तो have seen the deck. ठीक है ना? आप ऐसे हार्ट अटैक
No, which
Okay.
I've not seen this deck.
तो you haven't seen?
No.
तो ये दिया था आपको. Maybe these things have been updated. Maybe you haven't seen it.
Yeah, I don't remember this particular step.
So Adani Foundation.
Adani,
Yeah. Now, just for a background, right?
Yes.
Because we say these names, there may be an there might be somebody might ask you, "Oh, do you know that guy, right, who works at the foundation? Like somebody in the top office." So we'll be like, "We'll get back to you." Your thing should be, "We'll get back to you." Generally, when we work so far in the work that we do with CSRs, the relationships are largely at the regional level. Right? You can say that. So because the truth is that what tends to happen, at least from what I've seen, the CSR we have supplied to Adani Foundation, but we spoke to somebody at HQ only 2 months ago. Before that, we had supplied to them, but it must have been some local CSR manager who saw a need and then procured directly from us because he was given some funding, he had to spend it. He thought this was a good way to spend it, and he took the call. So it might not be a good idea to mention this unless somebody asks. So unless nobody asks, say that we have worked with these foundations. If somebody asks you, whom do you know there? We'll say that we'll get back to you in terms of who the exact person was. And you can say, but we have worked with all of them on specific state-specific projects, and we've worked with the regional leadership. You can say this much. Okay. Don't say that you only know the regional leadership. You can give this much information. क्योंकि उनको ये भी नहीं फील होना चाहिए कि अरे यार ये लोग मतलब they don't have any big connections at the top level. So don't just name drop. If nobody asks, don't say anything more. Say that we have worked with these kinds of organizations, Ambuja Cement, Adani.
What states have we worked in with
So
them?
for each one of them, it will be a different one. So for example, I believe HDFC Parivartan was somewhere in Odisha, right? Odisha. Tata Trust we supplied in Kerala. So, I mean, we can look at that information later. I also don't have it on the top of my head.
Yeah.
I have to see the partner list. But yeah. So for non-profits, you can mention Seva Mandir. You can mention Watershed Organization, that's WOTR. You can mention the Corbett Foundation.
Corbett.
CORBET. I'll send, you have the deck, I'll send you also the deck.
Okay.
So with CSRs, we usually come in as a technical partner. Right? So basically we offer our stores at a subsidized price. So you'll also need to understand what is the pricing at which you offer to a CSR. That I'll share with you. So yeah, you need to know what do we sell to e-commerce, what is our price to customers from the factory, and what is it to CSRs, which is a subsidized price. NGOs and CSRs. There is a debate whether we should give CSRs the same price, because sometimes what happens is the NGO procures from us after receiving the CSR money, so we give the NGO lower price. But अगर CSR ही खरीद रहा है, company ही खरीद रही है, why should we give them a lower price? But we probably should also, because it's an impact-focused deployment. Okay? I know it's a lot to take in, so what I will do is, you have the deck, please go through the deck, right? And I'll send you the deck, एक बार case studies वगैरह देख लें, पढ़ के आना. And then when we are there, just observe how I'm answering people, and then you'll be able to handle it, I'm pretty sure, between the two of you. Now, I'm done talking. So basically, actually I'm not done talking, but we're gonna switch the gears from the stand to the social. So what is going to be happening is there's going to be the stand. There should probably be a post that we are at this place, right? That kind of that you decide, right? That is one potential kind of post. One post that definitely needs to happen is Ankit is going to be coming in and giving an award. Because technically, because we're paid for a stall, we're a sponsor, we're a partner. So the guy told me that the heads of the partner organization should be coming in and can give awards. So I asked for the main session at the top, ideally. If not, we'll get an afternoon session. So my bad. उस वक्त I would like us to take a photo, some good photos. I think anybody have an iPhone?
Yeah.
How many megapixels is your camera?
My iPhone also not good.
But mine is iPhone 11, so it doesn't have a very good quality.
iPhone 11 is how old? How many years ago was it?
5, 6.
5, 6.
You can take Ankit's phone,
It's
like for a photo only.
Unika phone, and my OnePlus is also not a bad.
Saurabh will also be there, huh?
Yeah.
We'll
And
take his phone.
Yeah, I have a OnePlus. Maybe it can be my phone also. OnePlus camera is not
Okay,
bad.
then we all click them.
And see which one is
Yeah.
Maybe. So that is one post that has to go up. So, but that day is also Earth Day, right? So, I think we would need to have a strategy. So there is LinkedIn में max to max 2 posts can go in one day, not more than that, right? Correct?
Yeah.
Instagram में we can probably do
Like before and after.
During. So before का अभी के लिए जो कास्का ने किया है वो ठीक है. वो बेसिकली जैसे ग्रीनवे का फोटो लगा के ग्रीनवे हैप्पी टूर्नामेंट ग्रीनवे जाऊँगा मैंने रिट्वीट कर दिया लिंक्डइन से वो ठीक है. सी एनीवे दिस इवेंट इज बीइंग अटेंडेड बाय 200 पीपल. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम बोलेंगे और लोग बाहर से देखने आएंगे. It's the guest list is decided. Maybe a few people will be joining because people will bring other people. The key thing is to make use of the event itself, right? One to that moment with Ankit is happening, so that has to go, right? Maybe we can take the picture and keep it, and the next day we can do a post, something like that. But that's one. Second thing is there is a quote that Ankit has given to Sustainability Karma or something. I think it's a very good quote. I told you over the weekend, let's make a carousel with his picture. आपने देखा वो एक चाहिए. That needs to go on Earth Day itself. In fact, that should go out in the morning. So वो carousel का picture है ना, वो आप बना के रखना कल.
Schedule करना.
And I'll put out the post from the. You give it to me. I'll put out the post while we're at this time, right? Because we need to do an Earth Day this thing. Then, how else do you think we can leverage that kind of event?
That kind of
Event.
I think maybe we should talk like more with data. So this is like written 3+ million stores are distributed. More kind of data कि हमने like अभी तक हमने corporate gifting में दिया है या फिर we are talking or maybe Taj का. We can talk like this.
No. Corporate gifting and Taj are out of the question on Earth Day. So,
I feel if like some real person makes a video, like anybody can make a video and upload, that would have more impact because people like watching or listening to people, and that also like reels have more they do have more impact. So somebody can talk about it and like that just would grab more attention.
so ask people there to make reels about our product.
No, you're asking for Earth Day, right? How we can more market.
Earth Day, yes, but also I think it's too late in the day to try and start a campaign. But I was asking specifically Casca, this award show, how can we... So that quote idea is separate. It's an Earth Day specific one, not necessarily linked to Casca. But that's something I told her over the weekend. I had made a quote for Ankit to go to a different news publication. and the quote came out quite well, I thought. I think we should do it the way CW does it. In a nice carousel, 2-part carousel. उसी carousel में या third में आप अपना impact numbers डाल सकते हैं और वो मैं text में भी डाल सकता हूँ और the LinkedIn post. That's one LinkedIn post. Second LinkedIn post, you decide what do we do about Casper. Do we do the Ankit giving the award post at Casca, or do we do a generic?
I think we can make the collage of both. The award win and the generic win. And like big cutout of Ankit sir taking the award and then
For LinkedIn?
For LinkedIn.
Taking the quote, matlab?
Taking the award.
He is not getting an award. He's giving an award.
He's giving an award.
Yeah.
And then the picture was like generic pictures, some collage of images.
So maybe there can be one post of Ankit giving the award, and then us at the stand, right? And one picture of you or me explaining to somebody the product, right? And we can do one roundup post in the either that evening or the next day, right? I think the next day is good. But in terms of Insta, maybe we can do like a story. Like we can, yeah.
But she's right. If you make reel with pictures, like we can make montage of images and then post it like a reel.
So the reel you can do later after coming back here, because you won't have time there to sit and make reels. I'm saying from the location itself, why don't you build a story? Like keep taking pictures and do a story.
Okay, like 4 to 5 images with the storyboarding
Throughout the day.
throughout the day. Okay.
Throughout the day,
we can
just find out from them what the hashtag is and all that. वहाँ पे, I'm sure they'll have a social media team, right? So I'll ask Govind to introduce you to their social media team, that and then let's react to. But let's have a plan going. One post generally on Earth Day, which can be the quote from Ankit. One post maybe later in the day as a roundup post, right? That can be promoted the next day. Throughout the day, do Insta and Facebook moments, right? And then the next day, compile into a video and then put out as a reel on Thursday. Let's start with this. Okay, and that's it. So in terms of when it starts,
I was thinking of the reel, maybe you can talk about it. Like we went to whatever the award show.
Okay.
How was the experience maybe, or like
After the Casca, right?
yeah. And we can just add clips.
Maybe we can have interview of Ganesh.
Yeah, oh my god.
And then
No, that's a good idea.
that interaction could be
Interaction
uploaded
video.
on Instagram.
She will ask you questions and then you can just answer.
okay, interesting. You'll ask me questions on Instagram.
Of course, we'll make a video asking you questions about the Casca Awards
Everything. Greenway, how was the
Yeah.
experience maybe?
and then we'll upload this.
Yeah, and we can probably what we can do is when people come and interact with the stall, right? We can probably ask them to give their comments. What did you feel
yes.
about? I'm sorry, I just need to clean my hands.
We'll need to do some homework.
Yeah. So I was thinking when some people come to our stand, and if we have a good interaction with them, it might be a good idea to say, like, could you say a few words about, and then you just take their food, and then could we use that on our social? At least 1 or 2 people must say. तो आप अपने रील montage में वो भी डाल सकते हैं. That might be more impactful. Great. ठीक है. So I'm just gonna.
So let's do
We
the.
can have a game also, like a short quiz or something, which would be. But I don't think people would have that much time.
Quiz for
Like some game sort of thing which is related to like clean cooking.
That's actually a very nice idea.
yes.
In fact,
Or like cards we can have.
हाँ.
have you guys played with Mentimeter?
Mentimeter.
Yeah.
What's that?
No.
Games we can ask ChatGPT also. It will give very innovative games.
One minute. So. Okay. So. Scan this QR code.
We have done this for one of our courses.
Not done yet.
Are you getting a quiz?
No, it's not loading. The net is slow.
Okay. Oh yes, actually I have done one quiz here only in WeWork with Mentimeter. Yes. Yes. I got it. It's taking too much time. It's taking time to load. But yeah, I've done it.
Okay, it's taking time.
Yeah, it's taking time. Kausan, have you got the quiz?
Yeah.
It's loaded.